Rahim. My name is Mohammad Azhar, lecturer in the Department of Poultry Science. Today, my presentation topic is eggs as functional food and nutraceutical for human health. Eggs are the only food on earth with 100-point ratings from World Health Organization. Eggs are nature's gift, contain every essential of life. A chick develops from an egg without provision of any external nutrient. Eggs are easy to cook. Eggs are convenient to eat. Eggs are quick to cook and quick to digest. From eggs, we can cook variety of food. The color of yolk depends on the poultry feed. Eggs are liked by every class and age group. Eggs act as a functional force. It means food which exert positive effect on physiological process in the organism and beneficial effects on human health beyond meeting basic nutritional needs. Eggs can be classified as functional food because they are a whole food with large number of effective components intended to be consumed as part of the normal diet but offer the potential of enhanced health or reduced disease risks. Eggs are contain vitamins, antioxidants, minerals, omega-3 fatty acids, PUFA, and other active components. Eggs are nutraceutical foods, products isolated or purified from food that is generally sold in medicinal forms, not usually associated with food. Eggs contain lysozyme, which are present in egg white or albumin, used in eye drops and various cold remedies as preservative for cheese. Avidin are also present in egg white, which is used to inhibit the growth of bacteria and fungi. Choline is present in egg and helps in brain development. If you want to be happy, eat eggs because choline in egg affect methane release happiness hormone which makes the person happy. Lecithin are also present in eggs, which is essential for memory development. Lecithin is a mixture of fats that are essential for human body. Lecithin is used to treat dementia and Alzheimer's disease and also used to treat gallbladder disease and fatty liver. Eggs are contain good quality protein source for muscles development. Leucine, which is present in egg, contribute to muscles' ability to use energy, aids in post-exercise muscle recovery. Leucine is essential amino acid that is used in biosynthesis of protein. Vitamin A and lutein present in egg good for eye health. Lutein is powerful antioxidant which help for good eye health and reduce eye inflammation. Lutein and xanthine are also present in egg, prevents age-related macular degeneration. Macular degeneration is age-related condition or problem with your retina. It happens when part of a retina card macula is damaged. Eggs are best for stronger bones, a natural source of vitamin D. Eggs contain low calories, never let you become obese. Rochester Center for Obesity research found that eating eggs for breakfast helped limit your calories intake all day by more than 400 calories. That means you could lose 3 pounds or more per month. Eggs are also used for hair treatment because they are good for hairs. Because eggs are rich in protein, makes hair follicles stronger. Cysteine, which is present in egg, major amino acid of keratin. Keratin is a hair protein. Fatty acids, the fatty acids present in yolk helps in improving the skin, thus finding dandruff, flaky scalp, and psoriasis. The egg's yolk makes the hair glossy, shiny, and smooth and prevents hair breakage and hair loss arising from it. Lecithin, which is present in eggs, a natural cleanser, washing hair. Egg yolk cleanses your hairs as it cleans it. It also reduces frizz and helps in making hair smooth. It prevents the hair from becoming brittle and prevents hair loss as well. Consume eggs before you become an egg because vitamin A present in egg helps in the production of sebum, helps in controlling dandruff, prevent drying of the scalp, promote hair growth and prevents hair loss. Vitamin D, which is present in egg, helps in improving the texture of hairs, thus making it smooth. Vitamin E promotes hair growth, protects the hair against harmful UV rays and pollution. Eggs are the simple solution to all problems because niacin or vitamin B3 increase the energy metabolism in cells, thus inducing hair growth. Choline is also a member of vitamin B group that helps to prevent hair loss and baldness. Vitamin B5 is supposed to prevent premature graying of hairs. Vitamin B7 helps in renewing the follicle and roots of the hairs that are already growing. Biotin in the eggs helps to maintain healthier roots and follicles of the hairs. Eggs are best for skin because egg white draws the oil from the skin. Egg yolk moisturizes the skin, firms the skin. Vitamin A helps in skin cell growth, and vitamin D help in producing skin outermost layer. Eggs are best for pregnant women, at least 2 eggs every day during your pregnancy to ensure that your baby gets protein, calcium, vitamin D, iron, and omega 3 fatty acids. An egg comprises complete nutrition. Choline helps in normal brain development of fetus. Eggs are good for heart. What cholesterol do in body? Maintain cell functionality, insulate nerve fibers, produce vitamin D. Dietary cholesterol has a limited effect on plasma cholesterol. Production of body cholesterol slows down with ingestion of external heredity factors. Excess weight, stress, and lack of exercise have a much greater influence on blood cholesterol levels. Eggs are good for breast cancer. Researchers in Harvard University in 2005 showed that women eating at least 6 eggs per week had a 44% lower risk and developing breast cancer. Researchers in University of North Carolina found choline can reduce risk of breast cancer by 24%. One yolk have 125.5 milligram choline. Eggs are most economical and accessible protein source for all. There is a common myth is that poultry producers use hormones in poultry. Answer is that no, because hormones are illegal and banned in many countries and strictly monitored. Hormones are ineffective and difficult to administer. Hormones are more expensive and negative impact on growth. Simply, hormones are not used in poultry production. Now, what to eat choice is yours. Omega 3 enriched eggs are also present in market, which are also called designers eggs. Omega 3 are a group of essential fatty acids that play vital role within your body, providing several key health benefits, and body cannot produce omega 3 on its own. Eggs are nature's incredible and edible source of omega 3 fatty acids, providing on an average 180 milligram per serve. There are many benefits of omega 3 fatty acids. For example, heart diseases, inflammatory and autoimmune diseases, promoting good eye health, assisting with brain and nervous system development in infants, maintaining good mental health. What are omega 3 enriched eggs? The chickens are simply fed a diet containing flaxseed, which is known to contain large amount of ELA to hen produce omega 3 enriched eggs. There are some companies which produce enriched eggs and also present in supermarket.